Hello, aspirants. Some topics are not just about facts or policies, they test how you think, feel, and respond as an administrator. Today's social issues and ethics section is exactly of that nature, deeply relevant for GS4, essay, and even interview. Let's begin with a very sensitive issue, Tarankan, in Nalanda, faith turned fatal, pages 11 and 10. This is not just an incident, it reflects the danger of blind beliefs, lack of awareness, and vulnerability of people. As an aspirant, you should think, where does faith end and responsibility begin? This is where ethics, education, and governance intersect. Closely linked is the article, Tarankan, Lessons Unlearned, page 10. This is more of a reflective piece. It tells us that despite repeated incidents, systemic learning and preventive action are still weak. This is a powerful angle for ethics answers, failure to learn from past mistakes. Now comes a recurring tragedy, Bihar Hooch tragedy, page 14. This is not new, and that's exactly the concern. Issues like illegal liquor, poverty, lack of regulation, and governance gaps keep leading to loss of lives. For you, this becomes a case study on accountability, policy failure, and human cost of negligence. Moving to a broader ideological discussion, CPI-M, Kerala model, page 13. This is important because it brings in debate around welfare state, development model, and governance philosophy. Understanding different models helps you write balanced answers in GS2 and essay. And finally, CPI leader D. Raja interview, page 13. Interviews like these are very useful. They give insight into political thinking, policy perspectives, and ideological standpoints. For an aspirant, this helps in developing multidimensional viewpoints, which is crucial in mains and interview. If you step back and observe, today's topics revolve around three important dimensions: human behavior and belief systems, governance failures and repeated mistakes, and ideological approaches to development. This is exactly what ethics is about, not just knowing what is right, but understanding why things go wrong and how they can be improved. And here's something very important for every serious aspirant. Social issues and ethics are not subjects you can prepare in isolation. You have to observe society, connect real-life examples, and develop your own balanced judgment. That's what ultimately reflects in your answers and personality. Thank you for watching my video. If this helped you think deeper, do subscribe, share it with your friends, and continue your preparation with clarity and consistency.